I'm Mike from Ergo Chef, and this is the new shape of cutlery. Oh.
Today, our precision tip is all about the parts of your knife and holding it.
A knife is comprised of a few different elements. You got the handle here, the full tang, bolster, and blade, all one piece. This gives you perfect balance, strength, rigidity in the blade, and it gives you confidence when you're holding this thing and using it to cut. When you're going to hold a knife, don't do this. This right here will cause the knife to swing this way, that way, all over the place, and it could end up with a few cuts on your fingers. What you want to do is utilize your thumb and pointer finger. One thumb goes on, for me, the left side of the blade, and a pointer finger on the opposite side. You're going to do a nice little light pinch, wrap your hand around, and notice my hand is on top of that handle. The palm of my hand rests right on the handle. You come in, you grab that knife, and you got authority over it. You're going to control it, left, right, sideways, back and forth, front and back. Really, the pinched grip is important. You get control that way, and you are going to be a better cutter. Thanks a lot again for watching. I'm Mike Steib with Ergo Chef. Check us out on ergochef.com.